Ladies and gents, እንደምን ዋላችሁ? ደህና ናችሁ ሆይ? It's hot today. And then I was just thinking about it. You know, I'm always thinking about something. And it just dawned on me that there's one fidel that I felt sorry for in the Ethiopian የፊደል table ውስጥ. You know, 120 million of you guys, you never felt sorry for ጽዋ. How come ጽዋ ለጽዋ አስባችሁ አታውቁም? You know, ይሄ በጣም ትልቅ breaking news መሆን አለበት ለእናንተ. Of course you guys don't care, that's why I'm telling you this, okay? እና በፊደል እንትኑ ቴብል ውስጥ ጽዋ የለችም ማለት አንዷ ጽዋ ብቻ ነች ያለችው፣ ሌላኛዋ የለችም። Why is that? Why did we do that? I mean, ጽዋ አይን you know ጻ አለ ሁለት እግር ያላት እሷ ጽዋ በሷ በኩል ጽዋ አለ ከገባችሁ ማለት። ያችኛዋ ግን አይን የምትመስለው እንደ አ የምትመስለው ክቧ እሷ ግን ጽዋ የለችም። ለምንድን ነው ያ የሚሆነው? And I felt like for that fidel, you know, so the expression should be when someone makes you feel like shit, you know, like you don't exist, you tell them, why do you make me feel like swa? The swa ሳይሆን ጽዋ, you know, ምስኪን አይደለች ይቺ ፊደል? ጽዋ የምትባሏ ፊደል የለችም. Why is that? So we should make ከነበረች በፊት ከነበረች we have to put it back, you know, ጽዋ should exist. All right, peace.